Today, we have here the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 2-in-1 laptop. So let's get into the product. It's a 2-in-1 computer because when the keyboard is attached, the computer can function as a normal laptop, but when it's detached, it can function as a tablet which takes touch and pen inputs. I'll keep the keyboard and the pen aside for now. Let's get into the main computer. Before getting into the computer, this is the charger of the computer. It's a 60-watt charger that comes with a Surface proprietary connector, and it also has a USB-A port on the brick of the charger. This computer comes with a 12.3-inch IPS LCD glossy display with a peak brightness of 400 nits. It also has a front-facing camera of 5 megapixels and an infrared sensor for the Windows Hello, which is a security feature for face recognition for the device. Getting to the ports on this computer, on the right side it has a single USB-C port, a single USB-A port, the Surface connector for charging the computer, and a micro SD card port. The left side of the computer is relatively empty with only the 3.5mm headphone jack port. At the top of the computer, it has the power button and the volume rocker button. At the bottom of the computer, it has gold pad connectors for connecting the keyboard to the computer. At the back of the computer, it has an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera, a microphone, a kickstand to uphold the computer upright, and the Microsoft logo. This computer does not come with any inbuilt fans, but it has vents all around it for airflow to cool down the internals of the computer. Coming to the internals of the computer, the CPU is the 10th generation Intel Core i5 Ice Lake CPU on the 10nm process clocked at 1.1 GHz. The GPU is an Iris Plus GPU, which is an integrated GPU by Intel. It has 8GB of RAM and 256GB SSD for the internal storage. The battery is a 43.2 Wh battery, which should approximately last 8 hours on normal laptop use. This is the keyboard of the computer, also called the type cover. It has 78 backlit keys and a touchpad at the bottom. It's made with plastic but covered with Alcantara material for soft touch. At the top, you can see the golden pin connectors that connect to the golden pad at the bottom of the computer to enable the keyboard work with the computer. At the back, it's empty but also covered with Alcantara material. This is the stylus, also called the Surface Pen. It's made with metal and it has changeable tips. It has 2 buttons, one on top and one on the side for pairing with the computer. It comes with a single 4A non-rechargeable battery and it can snap to the side of the computer just like this. Note, the type cover and the stylus pen are both sold separately. If you're enjoying this video, a subscription to the channel will be very much appreciated. My brother has been daily driving this computer for the past 10 months and it has not all been roses. From the first day he turned on the computer after its unboxing, the computer shocked him with a blue screen of death which lasted for about 2 hours. Within that week also, the computer suffered from mild hanging issues, but all of these issues were cleared out after a software update was rolled out for the computer. We also noticed that this computer gets pretty hot, especially when connected to a Wi-Fi network while charging and during light gaming sessions. For the battery usage, during normal usage, which is reading some Word documents and watching some movies, it lasts around 5 hours on battery power, but when you connect to a Wi-Fi network and you're actively surfing the internet, it barely lasts up to 3 hours. This computer does not come cheap at all. At launch, it costs $700, the type cover costs $100 and the Surface Pen costs $60. Factoring all these prices together, it's already up to $860, which is very expensive. This computer is great for media consumption, text document consumption, and surfing the internet. If you want to use this computer for gaming, it's a no-no. All that being said, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. My name is Wanchuku, this is Service Scope, and I'll see you in the next video.